Hello everyone, in my past video, we have shown that Webull has officially launched in Singapore. Here, I'm going to show a step-by-step guide on how we can open a Webull account using phone. First, please scan this QR code in order to go to the sign out page of the Webull. In addition, you can also click the link at the description below. After you have scanned the QR code, you will be reaching this page. Then you can scroll down to check the welcome rewards, how to qualify. By the way, you can also refer to my last video on the details explanation to qualify all the rewards. Next, click sign out. Then, what we need to do next is to key in our mobile phone number. This is for the apps to send our OTP. After that, we just need to drag the slider to fit the puzzle piece. Okay, let's try again. Okay, once it is verified successfully, you should be able to receive an OTP from our SMS. Once you receive it, we need to key in the verification code. Okay, once it is done, next will be key in our password. Please take note that the password has to be 8 to 20 characters, including upper and lowercase and number. Next, confirm our password. Click next. Once we click next, we will be seeing this. You have been invited. Then click download the Webull Apps. It will pop out a window in Google Play or either the iOS store. We need to install it. Let's wait for a while for it to complete the installation. Once it is done, click open. The icon of the apps is looking like this. Because of the security of the apps, I'm not able to do screenshot and screen recording to further show how to open the account. If you do not believe it, you may try to screenshot the content of the apps and you won't be able to do it. Thus, I have to take a photo of the apps through my wife's phone. The quality won't be good, but hopefully, I will still able to help you to open the account. I'm sorry about that. You are welcome to ask me any question in the comment below. Take note that although we have signed out an account with the phone number, but we have not set out the account yet. Open the apps, key in our phone number that we registered just now. Next, key in the password that we have set just now as well. We will then log into the Webull mobile apps. At the bottom of the apps, click open account. Next, we will need to select our residential status. For my case, I will be selecting Singapore citizens. If we have SingPass, we can log into SingPass and it will help us to fill the information. We can then just follow the steps. If you do not have the SingPass, then just key in the information required. Next, just fill in the details required and click next accordingly. When we reach the page of select account, to me, I choose margin account. You can also choose cash account if you think you won't be using margin. For the trading products, I tick all stocks, ETF, and options. You can choose your own preference accordingly, but I strongly suggest you to tick ETF for long-term investing. Then, you will reach the page of customer account review. As I do not have the qualifications on 1, 2, and 3, I choose number 4 as I have traded more than 6 securities in the past 3 years. Next will be agreement and risk disclosure. You may expand them and read them. Click continue. Next, tick for the acknowledgement. Complete the signature by following the instruction. We must follow the capital or small letters as well. Then, our account opening is completed and will be pending for review. Once it is approved, then I will show how to deposit our fund into Webull account and I will do a review on the speed of deposit and withdrawal in the next video. If you have any questions to open the account, please comment at the description and I will be doing my best to assist. You may also join my Telegram group to ask me questions or to discuss any investing idea with our community friends. Thank you and see you in the next video.